Welcome back to my LS Luxury Auto. The 2026 GMC Savana 3900 arrives with a clear mission to serve as a workhorse for those who demand power, reliability, and simplicity in a full-size van. While many vehicles in the modern age are shifting towards sleek digital interfaces, electric drivetrains, and luxury-inspired trims, the Savana 3900 proudly holds onto its rugged, old-school DNA. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It knows its audience: contractors, fleet managers, delivery companies, and anyone else who needs a dependable vehicle that can take a beating and keep running. And in the 2026 model, GMC refines that formula with updated technology, improved functionality, and more robust performance across the board. Built on a heavy-duty platform, the Savana 3900 is tailored for commercial use where durability and versatility matter more than looks or bells and whistles. Its design remains purpose-built and practical. The boxy shape is not a flaw but a feature, maximizing cargo space and ease of access for both loading and modification. The front grille has received a minor refresh, along with improved headlights that now feature standard LED technology, providing better visibility for nighttime driving and enhancing road presence. While competitors like the Ford Transit or Mercedes-Benz Sprinter often lean into futuristic styling, the Savana 3900 keeps things honest. It's a van that's more about performance than polish. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana 3900 offers a choice of powertrains, but the real star is the available 6.6-liter V8 gas engine. It pushes out substantial horsepower and torque, giving it the muscle to handle heavy payloads and large trailers without breaking a sweat. GMC has paired this engine with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, tuned specifically for commercial-grade demands. Whether you're navigating urban routes with stop-and-go traffic or cruising long highway stretches with a full load, the powertrain responds with confidence. It's not about speed, it's about strength, and the Savana delivers that in spades. Towing and payload capabilities are key metrics for buyers in this segment, and the 3900 doesn't disappoint. With properly equipped models, you're looking at a towing capacity that pushes past the £10,000 mark, while the payload rating exceeds £4,000. That puts it firmly in the upper tier of full-size commercial vans. This kind of performance makes the Savana 3900 suitable for a wide variety of uses, from hauling construction equipment to supporting mobile workstations and utility conversions. The heavy-duty suspension, reinforced chassis, and strong rear axle ensure the van remains composed and capable even under maximum load. Step inside the cabin, and you'll notice that GMC has taken steps to modernize the space without compromising its work-focused nature. The dashboard has been redesigned with a more ergonomic layout, and the controls are straightforward and logically placed. A new infotainment system sits at the center with a 7-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to easily integrate their smartphones for navigation, music, or hands-free communication. For fleet operators, GMC offers telematics integration, allowing real-time vehicle monitoring, route tracking, and maintenance scheduling, features that help reduce downtime and improve overall fleet efficiency. The seats in the 2026 Savana 3900 have been updated for improved comfort, with thicker padding and optional lumbar support. While the base trims stick with vinyl upholstery for durability, higher trims offer cloth or leatherette options. Climate controls are large and easy to use, designed for quick adjustments even with gloves on. There's no luxury packaging here, and that's a good thing. Every inch of the cabin is engineered for work: rubberized floors for easy cleaning, multiple storage compartments for tools and documents, and optional equipment like a 120-volt outlet and extra USB ports for charging devices on the go. Safety has also seen significant improvements. The Savana 3900 now includes a suite of driver assistance features as standard or optional depending on trim. These include forward collision warning, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and a high-definition rear-view camera. GMC understands that in the commercial space, safety isn't just about protecting drivers, it's about protecting equipment, cargo, and everyone else on the road. By integrating modern safety technology, the 2026 model adds a layer of security without distracting from the core utility of the vehicle. One of the most appealing aspects of the Savana 3900 is its adaptability. Whether you're looking at the cargo van version for transporting goods, the passenger model for shuttle services, or a cutaway chassis for custom upfits, the platform supports a wide variety of configurations. This flexibility is part of what has kept the Savana line alive for over 2 decades. Upfitters and commercial buyers can count on a reliable, easy-to-modify foundation. GMC has even improved the electrical infrastructure to support aftermarket installations, whether that's shelving, HVAC systems, or mobility equipment. Fuel economy, as expected in a heavy-duty vehicle of this size and strength, is not a strong selling point. The large displacement V8s drink their fair share of fuel, particularly under load. However, the addition of engine start-stop systems, improved aerodynamics, and more efficient transmission tuning help offset some of the consumption. For many buyers, the trade-off between performance and fuel savings is a non-issue, especially when the van can perform consistently in high-stress work environments with minimal downtime. Perhaps one of the most underrated features of the 2026 GMC Savana 3900 is its simplicity. In a market increasingly filled with complicated, software-heavy platforms that can become expensive to repair, the Savana remains refreshingly straightforward. Mechanics across the country are familiar with its architecture, parts are widely available, and maintenance costs are relatively low compared to many European competitors. For small businesses and large fleets alike, that kind of peace of mind is invaluable. In terms of pricing, the Savana 3900 offers solid value. It's generally more affordable than competitors like the Mercedes Sprinter or Ford Transit in its heavy-duty configurations, and when you factor in the lower long-term maintenance costs and high resale value, the total cost of ownership becomes even more attractive. GMC also offers a range of warranties and support packages tailored for commercial users, which can further reduce the burden of ownership over time. The 2026 GMC Savana 3900 isn't trying to be flashy. It's not chasing trends or trying to impress with luxury finishes. What it offers is far more valuable to the people who rely on their vehicles every day to get the job done. It's tough, proven, and updated just enough to meet today's expectations while staying true to its roots. For the business owner who needs a reliable tool, or the fleet manager looking for vehicles that deliver consistent results year after year, the Savana 3900 stands as one of the most trustworthy choices in the market. It's built for work, built for the long haul, and built to last.